If there was ever a time not to have a nursing shortage, this is it. Concerns run so deep. Governor Polis even called for medical professionals to come out of retirement and help.
Which brings us to the up-and-comers. The University of Colorado Nursing School says it has troops ready to hit the ground running. They just can't get the credits needed to graduate. Denver 7's Megan Lopez with tonight's top story.
When so many people are staying home to stay healthy,
we really do need more nurses.
It takes a lot of heart to be willing to put yourself at risk to help.
I feel prepared and ready to start my nursing career.
Natalie Rodarte and her fellow students at the University of Colorado School of Nursing have a lot of heart.
I feel like if we can get more nurses out in the front line to support each other, that's gonna make the healthcare workers stronger. It's going to make our community stronger.
But last month, in the middle of their clinical studies that are needed to graduate, an unexpected delay.
Our clinical partners really aren't at capacity to be able to host students. They are in crisis management. That's been difficult because our rotations are part of our coursework.
Nursing students who should be graduating in May are now just a few weeks short of reaching their requirements.
I am only about 40 hours. At this point, it's 23-hour clinical hours away from graduating.
Natalie was one of the lucky ones. The school found a way to turn the rest of her clinical hours into remote work, but that's not the case for everyone.
I know that there is a good chunk of my cohort that it's still up in the air for them.
Think about, again, the impact this is going to have on our workforce, on our workforce around the state. Again, at a time when we're in the midst of a nursing shortage.
So last month, the school sent a letter to the state nursing board and the governor's office.
We're asking for modifications in this pandemic time to some of those rules and regulations
to let students graduate. So far, it hasn't received a response. In a statement, the Division of Professions and Occupations says it has received and reviewed that waiver request and expects an announcement on this front will be made soon. For now, the school is just hoping the board will have the heart to help so that these students won't have to miss a beat.
They are so ready to get out there and take care of patients.
Megan Lopez.
It's frustrating to just want to help.
Denver 7.